Yes, we're here on Amazon River looking for crocodiles. Yeah, very awesome, quiet. We saw just one. Yeah. Can be anacondas here too, I think. Anacondas, big snakes. Yeah. We prepare, we have to be ready. Джунгли, да. Вообще, фантастика.
Природа, не тронутые.
Awesome. Very cool. Extreme place. Very cool. There's professional driver here.